now and get you details of the Axiom 4 mission, where astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla has now completed 1 week on board the International Space Station. He's been speaking with his family as well during the off-duty day, and of course we remember the candid conversation that Shubhanshu Shukla had with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As far as this mission is now concerned, that has marked a major step when it comes to India's growing role in international space exploration, and it also signaled a new era for Indian astronauts on the global stage as well. And this is, as far as Shubhanshu Shukla is concerned, he has been sharing his experiences in space as well. So what has now been said, that he has been in touch with his family and he's been connected with them. And now that 1 week is over, we are looking at the remainder of the time that Shubhanshu Shukla will be on board the International Space Station before he returns safely to Earth. So Shubhanshu Shukla and the other astronauts as well, where he has been talking about his experiencing, saying that he was learning to live in microgravity like a baby, and he has described the feeling of floating in space as amazing. And now what is being said, that it was a complete privilege for him, that he's been representing India and 1.4 billion Indians, that he says that he is absolutely proud of. And this is when it comes to his conversation that he had with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now this is a 14-day stay. Remember, Shubhanshu Shukla along with 3 other astronauts who are part of this Axiom 4 mission, during which the crew is going to be a part of series of science experiments as well. So 14 days. 1 week is now over. Enjoy 1 more week to go before Shubhanshu Shukla safely returns to Earth.
Of course, it will be absolutely fine. And it must be said that serious work has happened in that 1 week, and what he has said will be so memorable. If Neil Armstrong had spoken about the giant leap for mankind, and Rakesh Sharma had said, Sare Jahan se acha, here Group Captain Shukla said to Prime Minister Narendra Modi that from where I am, the world looks like one. That there are no borders, it's just one world. And this will be memorable. It is memorable already. He's done a lot of experiments, he's spoken with his family, and in a week he will be back on terra firma.
Absolutely. Looking forward to that. Shubhanshu Shukla, they're completing 1 week aboard the International Space Station. Srinjoy, thank you very much. With that, we head into a short break.